Good evening. Welcome to Mr. Wallen's Neighborhood. We're gonna be doing a series of cocktail videos called Cocktails by Nature. What we're gonna do is we're gonna ice down this cocktail glass. Just gonna get that baby chilled down a little bit. I'm gonna use Bac Whiskey. Bac Whiskey is an Arizona whiskey that's produced in the style of Scotland. This specific one is their classic version, but this essentially would be characteristic of what a Scotch whiskey would taste like, but this is an Arizona whiskey. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do 2 ounces of Bac Classic Whiskey. We're gonna do 3/4 of an ounce here of this dry sack sherry. This is a Fino sherry. Sherry is basically a fortified wine. It's gonna be nice, it's give us sort of a nutty characteristic. Then we use Ramazzotti Amaro. Ramazzotti Amaro is an Amaro, comes from Italy. It's gonna add some bitterness to the cocktail. It's gonna help some of the other flavor profiles come through. We'll do a 1/2 ounce here. We're gonna do 3/4 of an ounce of lemon juice. And then we're gonna do a 1/2 ounce of this Peach Real here. So this is a hybrid puree syrup situation, 1/2 ounce here. Add ice to our tin. And give it a shake, vigorously. Get rid of this ice. We're gonna add some fresh crushed, double strain, and then we're gonna garnish. Cheers.